Brooke, welcome to A-Level Geography. So I'm a member of the Geography department. So a lot of you will have done GCSE Geography already, and if you've done GCSE Geography you'll know exactly the kind of things that we might cover. So we do 50% physical topics, 50% human topics, which would be exactly the same at A-Level. Our A-Level topics are a lot more relevant, up to date and diverse, so we look at lots of different things, lots of different subjects. So in Year 12 you'll start off by looking at tectonics and coastal landscapes. So tectonics, we focus on volcanoes, earthquakes, and the kind of impact that has on people around the world today. Coastal landscapes, it's a little bit like what you might have done at GCSE, but this time we focus more on sea level rise and more current affairs, so what we're going to do to manage those problems in our coastal areas. So as you know, most people live in coastal areas, it's a massive problem today. We then look at regeneration and globalisation. So globalisation is our human topic, looking at how the world's becoming more interconnected and the kind of impacts that might have on the world. And then regeneration, we look at mainly London and Hull. So we look at the two areas, what kind of regeneration has taken place and whether that has been successful. In Year 13, we then start to look at superpowers. So that looks at the rise of powerful and influential nations, why they've become so powerful and the kind of influence they still have on different countries and around the world. We then look at health and human rights. And then our physical topics are the carbon cycle and the water cycle. We also have a coursework element, which is where 20% of our overall A-Level. So this consists of looking at, in particular, hull and regeneration. If you want to do another topic, such as coastal landscapes, we do have a few students that choose to do that instead. In our course, we usually go on 2 or 3 field trips. So our first one, we usually go to Boggle Hurl. So we usually go for about 3 days, and we'll look at the sand dunes at Boggle Hurl in the coastal area, and we'll also look at regeneration in Middlesbrough. We do stop off at Whitby, and then we also go to Hull. That is mainly to carry out your coursework. So you'll be doing your coursework completely independently. You will choose your own question, and then you will choose the kind of methods that you want to do to investigate that particular topic that you are studying. You will then write up your own analysis, you'll evaluate your methods, you will look at how effective your analysis of your coursework has been. We usually find that geography fits really well with other subjects, in particular business, economics and science. The physical topics of ours fit really well with some science topics. So because we study such a diverse range, our course is really popular with employers and universities. So employers and universities really like the fact that we do up-to-date, relevant topics, problems that are happening now in the world, and look at the kind of ways you can manage them, which obviously links to a lot of up-and-coming jobs and careers. And then also we study a wide range of skills as well. So we look at independent study, being able to analyse, evaluate, critically debate something, which is a really obviously important skills in life as well as for employment and university. So hopefully I'll be looking forward to seeing a lot of you in our A-Level course next year.